Hi, Alison here from Gardening by Design with a quick video tip on helping plants recover from winter damage. Trachelospermum jasminoides is a lovely evergreen climber with summer flowers, but it's not completely hardy even down here in Kent. And you can see that in the cold winter we had and the late snow, mine has really suffered with quite a lot of the leaves and many of the shoots being killed in their entirety. So it does look pretty sad. But the situation is not quite as desperate as it might seem. If you look right inside, there are plenty of green shoots right down where they've been sheltered by the outer growth against the wall of the house. And this one is even trying to flower. The only thing to do is to cut out the dead growth right to the last green shoot. But with these tiny, windy climbers, you do have to trek right back up to the top to make sure that you're not actually cutting out a shoot that's still alive. So I've gone all over the whole plant with a pair of sharp secateurs, cutting out all the dead shoots, and this is what we're left with. Now, doesn't that look a whole lot better? There are green shoots all the way up the stems, albeit a bit thin at the moment, and I've given the pot a top dressing of some fresh compost, and I will water it well for the next few weeks. And I'm very pleased to say that just 2 weeks later, the whole climber is covered in strong, healthy, new green growth. There's more information about how the box of tricks can help you to plan, plant and look after your plot on my Gardening by Design website, where you can also buy topics and sign up for the newsletter. I hope to see you again soon. Happy gardening!